Hey everyone, my name is Fola and I'm from Sephora Squad. I'm going to show you the products that I use, my OGs, to get my defined curls for my wash and go routine. So the first step in my wash and go routine is to shampoo. What I like to use is the Briojio Mango and Cherry Balancing Shampoo. And how I like to use this is to double wash my hair, and it smells really good and it's really moisturizing, which is great, and making sure that your hair stays hydrated. After I wash my hair, I'll go in with the Olaplex number 3, and I use this as needed or every time I think about just strengthening my hair. It's a protein treatment, so it's gonna do just that, strengthen my hair and keep my hair and my strands strong. I just put it in my hair, leave it on for 10 minutes, and then rinse it out. So after I rinse out my treatment, I'll go in with the Briojio Mango and Cherry Conditioner, and it smells just as good as the shampoo. I like using this on my hair because it's great for detangling. You gotta make sure that your hair is always conditioned, bringing back that moisture into your hair. And I put it in from root to tip, detangle with whatever detangling comb or brush you have, and then rinse it out. So obviously I'm in the studio today and I couldn't give y'all a full-on shower routine, but I am gonna show you just a section of my hair so that you can get the technique and how I use these products to get the full, defined, and curly wash and go routine. So I'm gonna part my hair to show y'all the technique of how I style it. So I'm just gonna take a piece of my hair and clip it out. So I'm gonna spray it, but let me get my towel, put it over. So I'm making sure that my hair is completely soaking wet because that's what's going to give the style some definition. So I'm gonna use the pattern by Tracee Ellis Ross, the Stronghold Gel, and I'm gonna just apply it to my hair. And then I'm gonna go in with a detangling comb just to clump the curls. So now I'm gonna blow dry using the Dyson Supersonic, and I'm gonna take the diffuser attachment and just put it on like that. So the technique I'm gonna use with the Dyson is just keeping it close to my curls but not disrupting it because you don't wanna mess up the definition or add frizz to it. And I'm just making sure that the heat setting is at least low or medium. And lastly, I'm gonna go in with the Bread Beauty Supply Hair Oil Everyday Gloss and just add it to my hair. And it smells really good. Since I'm here, let me just unclip these and fluff out the rest and add some shine. So with these products and this technique, I can pretty much wear this wash and go for like 7 to 10 days. Also, fun fact, most of these products here are Black owned, so if you use any of these, let me know in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video.